Hey everybody, welcome back to Tap Tech, where we cut through the rumors and bring you what's actually coming in tech so you can stay ahead of the curve. If you love flying drones, capturing stunning aerial shots, or just want the best gear without dealing with heavy regulation, this one is for you. Today we're talking all about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. What if you could carry a drone so light you almost forget it's in your bag, yet it delivers camera performance that rivals much bigger models? What if your new drone saw where you couldn't see, avoided obstacles better, shot silky smooth video even in low light, and let you shoot vertical like a content creator on the fly? Those are some of the big promises people are hearing about the Mini 5 Pro, so in this video, I'll take you through everything we know so far: release date, upgrades, expected specs, also where you should maybe be cautious. Let's dive in. First, when might this thing actually drop? Leaks suggest September 2025 as the most likely window. There was a rumor about August 7, 2025, but that seems less likely now. Many reports say that was maybe a placeholder or got delayed. Also, new stock/leaks/teasers are aligning toward mid or late September. Now, what are the upgrades and features people are talking about? Here are the biggest ones, many of them based on leaks and credible sources, but remember, nothing's confirmed until DJI says so. One of the most exciting rumored upgrades is the camera sensor. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to get a 1-inch sensor, up from the 1/1.3-inch sensor in the Mini 4 Pro. That means better low-light performance, more dynamic range, and generally better image quality. Alongside that, there's talk of a lens around f/1.8, a 24mm equivalent, which is decent for general aerial shots. Video capabilities are rumored to get a bump, too. We might see 4K at 120 frames per second video recording, which would give much smoother slow motion/action possibilities. Also, a 48mm medium telephoto mode via in-sensor crop is being talked about. So if you want a bit more reach without carrying an extra zoom lens, or a separate drone, that could be a big deal. Another rumor: omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, including forward, backward, down, and maybe side sensors, plus LiDAR up front for better detection especially in low light or challenging lighting conditions. That's a major safety improvement if real, since many Mini-class drones struggle with obstacles in dim or complex surroundings. Flight time is also expected to improve. The new leaks suggest around 36 minutes of flight per charge under good conditions. There are also hints that the battery might be the same as those used in Mini 4 Pro/Mini 3 Pro, which is good for those who already own accessories. Design features: still foldable, still aiming to stay under 250 grams, C0 class, which is crucial for many regulatory environments. There's also leaked indication of a secret side button or special button for quick launch, maybe even without controller, propeller guards that are redesigned, click-on or low-noise props, and improved gimbal rotation, 225 degrees or more, for more creative flexibility in vertical shooting. On the connectivity and transmission side, there are rumors of enhanced transmission distance, possibly more stable link, maybe using OcuSync improvements. Also obstacle avoidance and sensors that will help in more challenging conditions, like night or low light, so that you get more usable footage. Let's put in a hook moment here. Imagine you're hiking at dusk, wanting that golden hour shot, or capturing fast motion, say a cyclist or runner, and being able to fly safe, get cinematic speed, smooth slow motion, without worrying whether your drone can see that tree branch hiding in shadows. If these rumors hold, Mini 5 Pro might finally bring those capabilities to an extremely portable, regulation-friendly drone. Of course, there are things that are less clear, or are rumored not to change. For example, it's not certain whether the price will stay close to Mini 4 Pros, or whether DJI will charge a premium for the new sensor plus LiDAR. Also, while battery flight time is improved, wind, payload, or real-world conditions often reduce what you get versus ideal lab numbers. Sometimes all-around obstacle detection adds weight or complexity. And sometimes features like the secret button or quick launch might not be present in all variants or could be regional. Also, there's concern On some leaks whether the weight, 250G, will hold once all the sensors are included, especially with LiDAR and more robust obstacle avoidance. If weight creeps over that threshold, it could affect regulations in places like Europe, US, UK, meaning registration or restrictions. Price expectations, rumors vary, but some suggest the base version will be priced approximately €799 for Europe, for the model without the Flymore accessories. The Flymore combo could be considerably more when you include extra batteries, higher-end remote/controls, etc. It might cost more than the Mini 4 Pro did, but many believe the upgrades might justify the increase. So, should you wait for the Mini 5 Pro, or buy now? If you already have a Mini 4 Pro and are satisfied with its performance, you might hold off unless you need better low-light shooting, obstacle avoidance, LiDAR, or very high frame rates. But if you're someone who uses your drone a lot, videographers, creators, people putting their drone through tougher conditions, then waiting might pay off. To sum up, here's what the DJI Mini 5 Pro might deliver: a 1-inch sensor with improved low light and image quality, 4K per 120 frames per second video recording, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance plus LiDAR, better flight time, 36-minute vertical shooting and extended gimbal motion, special design features like a secret button, low noise props, under 250G weight, if possible, and upgraded connectivity/transmission. Release probably September 2025. Price higher than Mini 4 Pro, especially for premium bundles. Alright, that's everything we know so far about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the official reveal. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, fly high, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.